Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm here to talk to you today about the Lennox HCC20-28 filter. This filter is a 20 by 25 by 5 filter. It will fit the Lennox HCC20-28 air cleaner, as well as a variety of other model of air cleaners. This filter is a MERV 16 filter, which means that it is the closest you can get to a true HEPA filtration system in your home. If you have severe allergies or suffer from asthma, this is the type of filter that you want in your home. It also has a carbon coating on the back that will help prevent household odors, smoke, pet danders, cleaning odors, things like that. So if you want to have healthy, clean air in your home, this is the filter and air cleaner that you need to have. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service department. They'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.